Welcome back to the channel. It's your look at your backyard fence and think if feel bored or unfinished. Your need fence line are often all look yard than one of the earth place to add beauty provide and personally to your outdoor space. Today we explore share backyard landscape fence idea that can complete transforming your yard whether it's long, smart, modern, rustic. Let's get starting. Layout plans for depth and style. One of the most effective way to landscape amount a fence is with layout plants. Start with tall plants at the back, middle shade in the mid, a low group cover flower at the front. This create deep make the fence feel like a natural back deep, restrict than hard boundaries. Tell like bamboo, glass or even gardening should add provide while plants in front color and statement layout beautiful for both wood and material need. Even gardening hard of your role provide. If provide it's your main goal, every gardening hard or a provide choose plants like boxwood, jump, alternate, keep your backyard gardening all year roll and back and wind view. You can turn theme for a format look or less theme group natural for a rustic gardening feel. Every greenery landscape among fence also help read noise and white make your backyard modern playful fence bed to add color and life. Fence bed and greenery brighten up and backyard. You can go with seasoning blend For choose color throughout of year, yard and provide color theme, come back, even season, with maximize effect, mix different color textile and blend high to keep the fan's vibrant interior. Add much decoration stone help define the year and keep weak under controlling. Decoration group climax plant and vibrant beauty. Climax plants are a fantastic way to turn plants fence into a live wall like can soft the fence and add color and charm under it's supported if need and group the plants at then growing. This idea work effective wall, smart backyard, versatile landscape safe space for a color and modern look consider growing stone landscape fence and decoration stone. Wait till plant create a low maintenance design that look publish interior. You can combix growing stop stone structure to add textile without overwhelm the space. This is a great way to hard climax. Rustic gardening bed that fence. Rustic bed place that fence are both published and personal style then perfect for growing flower hard and even vegetable while keep everything wood rustic bed can match your fancy